Hello, 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 and welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. It's that time. We need to draw for our 1,000 subscriber winner. So thank you for everybody who dropped by and left comments in the comments box below. There were so many lovely comments down there thanking me for doing videos and congratulating me. And a few people were actually giving me suggestions as well as to upcoming video suggestions, which I really appreciate that as well. And so you'll see those suggestions coming out in future videos. FYI, one of the things I'll share before we do the drawing, y'all know that we did the 1000K subscriber drawing, yada, 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 but I had given you the choice of various cards to pick from. I just wanted to share you the stats on that. We really didn't have that many people picking for like the Starbucks. I think it was like 1 or 2. Hands down, the card that was chosen most often was Amazon. I think it was like almost 130 of those of y'all chose that card. Michael's was Sank It with 92, and then Joanne's was third with 20. So that gives me an idea that certainly moving forward on our next drawing that we do together, you know, when I hit 1,500 or 2,000, I'll still include those cards, the Amazon, Michael's, Joanne's, etc. But also, there was another comment in the box below from Rachel King, and she's one of our fellow folks that belong to the channel. She actually suggested Hirschner's and shared with me that they now have a gift card, which is fantastic because they ship internationally as well. And, you know, and so next time for our next drawing, I will absolutely be including Hirschner's in that list for you guys. And if you have suggestions for others, I'm not familiar with, like, I know there's like Hobie and those things like that, that if that's something y'all are interested in, leave it in the comments below. I'm always open for suggestions because remember, I'm here to help you and to give you all what you need. It's more about you than it is about me. I mean, I do this so that I can help you in some way, whether it's with your crochet or whether it's with a health or wellness topic. And actually, that was one of the items that came in below, was asking about nodules on knuckles, which we will get to that in another video. And so, like I say, things like that I'm happy to do for you, so that way you can get the most impact out of, you know, taking your time out and watching me on these videos. Okay, I'm sorry, I kind of wandered off there, but let's get to what you came for. Let's get to the drawings. What we're going to do is I'm going to actually take you to my computer and we're going to go ahead and do the drawing for the 1K. And so the person who wins, of course we have to be above 18, you're being a member, a subscriber, those kinds of things. Once we have the name, please email me. I put my email address in the description box below the video, and just in case you miss it there, but it is in the description box below, so that way you have it so you can email me. And also it's on my about page on my main topic page, so you have 2 places to find my email to get a hold of me so you can get your prize. And unless it's somebody that wins who their email is already there in their comment that they left, but otherwise please hit me up with that below. All right, so let me take you over to my computer. Like I say, you have, I'd say 30 days, 15 to 30 days to get in contact with me, so that way I can send you out your e-gift card. All right, and do let me know where you're from, because if it's an Amazon card, there's different Amazons that I would have to connect up with to make sure that I get you your card. Anyway, so let me take you over to my computer and we will see who wins. Let's get to it. Okay, we are at my computer, and that is that video. I'm going to go grab the link. There we go. Spin, spin, spin. I want to copy that link so we know we're getting the right video here. I will pop that in here. There we go. Let's get the YouTube comments. It says that we have 226 YouTube comments, so let's go see. I'll move it over here. Shoop, 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 shoop. And here we go. Isn't it cool the way that thing spins? Sherry K loves yarn and crochet. Let's see what her comment is. Let's pick it up, scroll up there. Congratulations on reaching the 1K subscribers. If I am the one chosen, I would like a Michael's gift card. Thank you so much and good luck, everyone. I love it when folks put good luck to everybody else. It just shows that they're being such a great sport. So Sherry K, all right, you are the winner. You know where my email is. It's down below in the description box. Either there or go over to my About page. But I'm sure we'll be chatting. So, yep, reach out to me. And congratulations, Sherry. And thank you, everybody else who participated. I'm so pleased to have you as part of my community. And good luck on the next one. All right, y'all. Have a fantastic day.